NeoTech Process, where next-gen factories, robotics, and sci-fi engineering come to life. Imagine a jet cycle growed from star clouds, assembled inside a colossal orbital nebula forged today. Here, engineered vacuum storms sculpt raw nebula into the NebulaBolt Jet Cycle, a vehicle born luminous. It is a motorcycle that slices through air, threading the gaps between atoms with starlit precision. Its frame once drifts as colored mist, now crystallized into responsive nebula lattice, stronger than diamond. The NebulaBolt is grown instead of forged, beginning as Nebula Infused cylinders filled with swirling ionized gases.
Inside the forge, autonomous skimmer drones sweep luminous nebulae, compressing raw star clouds into focused plasma streams.
Returning drones inject harvested nebula into transparent cylinders, magnetic fields twisting each stream into shimmering threads. Rows of glowing cylinders glide along silent tracks, suspended in sculpted magnetic cages above the factory floor.
The cylinders approach the vacuum storm chamber, where engineered emptiness becomes the most powerful tool here.
Invisible turbulence thickens, then violet lightning crawls across chamber walls as the vacuum itself convulses. Released into the storm, nebula clouds twist into tight spirals, sliced by gravity lenses and electromagnetic shear. Ions lock into fractal honeycombs of matter and void, transforming formless mist into aerolith crystal lattice. The cylinders exit the storm changed, their interiors hardened into translucent structures like frozen branching lightning. In a vast assembly hall, robotic arms orchestrate construction beneath vaulted gantries and shimmering containment fields. Each hardened cylinder slots around a central axis, held by fields, while precision manipulators position every element. Laser welders bathe contact points in tuned fields, aligning crystal patterns until separate pieces forget boundaries. A narrow predatory frame emerges, its main spine curving to distribute stress and flex microscopically with motion. From the same lattice, sweeping fairings, adaptive seating, and hollow limbs grow to channel plasma and cooling. In a separate chamber, nebula matter only partially hardens, shaped into a toroidal reservoir awaiting plasma. Superconducting nebula coils encircle the ring, squeezing energized plasma into a tight, roaring contained vortex.
This jet core needs no air intake, instead bending surrounding medium and expelled plasma to generate thrust. The completed core descends into the waiting frame, which opens like a rib cage to receive it.
Phase welders seal core and frame together, making engine, spine, and lattice behave as one organism. Along the empty handlebars and frame, sensory filaments unfurl, tuned to detect subtle bioelectric intention patterns. Around the rider's future position, projection nodes form a halo, ready to cast adaptive starlight navigation overlays.
Deep within the lattice, superfluid gyroscopes spin up, creating an inertial cocoon that stabilizes every maneuver.
Now whole, the NebulaBolt floats in a testing vault, cradled on invisible magnetic fields.
An AI pilot links to its systems as the engine ignites, thunder rolling inward before blooming.
The cycle accelerates through simulated atmospheres, adapting thrust, winglets, and plasma flows to shifting densities instantly. Only after surviving this gauntlet does it wait in silence, anticipating its first human partner someday.
Simulations reveal their cities rising upward, skyways threaded with new...
Emergency simulations show jet cycles piercing hyperstorms, their nebula-hardened frames shrugging off lightning, debris, and turbulence.
Other projections send them across Titan, Mars, and Venus, gliding through alien skies once considered unreachable.
The same nebula lattice expands into skyscrapers, orbital habitats, exoskeletons.
Yet everything begins here, with glowing cylinders of captured starlight and the silent fury of vacuum storms.
The NebulaBolt becomes more than a machine, a declaration that distance to the stars is negotiable.
We once only admired distant nebulae. Now we shape their clouds into frames and capture their storms. From this forge, we ride not just under the sky, but on clouds that birthed stars.
If you enjoy the video, please like, comment, and subscribe for more.